Tim from Jones Knows, and we got the call to do a flooring job in the Pacific Northwest. I do jobs all over the state of Florida and the Southeast United States, but I've never gone as far as the Pacific Northwest. I know nothing about the job. All I know is I'm in. Can't wait to see what happens.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Stayed up literally almost all night to make this flight at 6. We had to be here at 6 a.m. I think we got here at 5:30. Took a lift for the first time, which was not fun, but we made it. No good at apps, but my son figured it out. So we're here, about to board to Salt Lake City, the first stop on our journey. There's my guys. T-minus 30 seconds to take off. This is the first time flying in a long time.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your gate VFX. Welcome aboard flight 1541 with service to Salt Lake City. At this time, on behalf of the full board Delaware and staff,
Any comments?
we'd like to thank you for choosing Delta, and we hope you have a good.
Oh my God. Look at that. Forgot my bag. Arrived. We're here. Be happy. Be happy. Everybody's so... They get all upset. We were on the ground in Salt Lake City. Utah, by the way. That's what it is. And we have about 4 hours before our next flight. So let's find something to do or something to eat.
Secure on Delta Flight 5811 in Burbank, your aircraft says gate service on board. They're in the process of storing their luggage, doing their necessary safety checks. Let's give about 5-6 minutes. Somebody offering a freeboard. It says it's a Compass Everyday 175.
Tristan working hard.
Welcome, passenger.
Smile, I'll make you famous. This is a small airport. I'm telling you that. Oh, we were on a little one, huh? No wonder it was bouncing so much. Plane was rocking more than disco. Come on, tell me that wasn't a little scary. Yeah. Hunter, I'm walking full speed. Yes. 2 bags? Yes. Grab a cart. Throw them on a cart. What? I don't care. We got all of our stuff. Just put them on here for now. Not gonna hurt. Oh. Put these ones on are the heavy ones. Put the heavy ones on first. Put those ones on first. Oh. Lay it down. Lay it down. Put this one on top of it. Now, hold on, watch this. Put this here. Put it right here. Put it there. Lay it down right there. Ah. Put your bag up here now. Right here. Alright, let's go. Push the cart. And we're off. We're off to see the wizard. This place is cool. We even got a cart. We got both bags were here. Nothing was lost, which is amazing. I thought we were gonna lose one out of the two at least, but we didn't, so. Alright, it's time to go to work. This is why we get paid the big bucks. Thanks, their house. We're doing some work there. We're so busy, David.
Back and offers to buy you guys pizza. It'll come from Pinky G's because it's the best pizza in town.
Did they deliver? Did they deliver?
No, they do not deliver.
Joke. No, I don't think anything delivers out there, probably,
Not
right?
a thing. You'd have to order it from Amazon. It's funny because our computer guy lives in New York City, and I was talking about stuff being delivered within. I follow a lot of people, and they're talking about Amazon will deliver anything.
Well, we found a local lumber yard and we're able to get some of the supplies that we forgot to bring from home. We almost hit a roadblock, but we already got past it. Luckily, they have plenty of stuff here. A lot more inventory than I would have expected.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Do they have elk in other states, really?
Yeah, yep.
I mean, other countries, I meant?
Yeah, well, they have. So deer are in 6 of the 7 continents, and elk are just a family in the same species, different family of deer. They have elk in New Zealand on farms. I saw them for myself.
I didn't even.
A way to regulate how many people come and go and what they do with the ecosystem. Like when I lived in the Galapagos Islands for a while, and they're limiting the amount of visitors per year that are allowed in.
So you can buy a certain amount of permits and then that's it.
Yep.
Now, do you ever have permits left over?
Yeah, and if you do, you lose them, so you have to use them.
That's what I was gonna say. So it's kind of tricky. You got to buy the right amount, not too much, not too little.
Yeah, Jim and I just sat down and we had to do our estimated day usage days.
How many permits you buy?
For the whole ranch. I don't know what they did. Maybe we'll probably. So we do 4,000. We did 4,500 last year. We'll probably do 6,500 this year, for the Yellowstone and all that.
Mm-hmm.
So every day, every person is 1 day permit, including hunters and all that. So we have like 250 fly fishing days and all this other stuff.
That's crazy. There's still snow on the ground.
Yeah.
Greg was sending me pictures a few weeks ago when I was working at Frank's house down there, and we were talking about this job, and he's like, send me pictures from the front gates, or looking out of something from where he was staying, or we're working up here.
Yeah.
And it was all of elk and like all the snow and everything. He was like rubbing it in, like
So the
trying to
elk
make
are
me
pretty
want to
much
work.
left. Now they're gone to their spring and summer browns. The winter our horses is like anywhere from $70,000 to $100,000 a year in hay.
Yeah, I can imagine. My wife, her parents had like, they always had 2 or 3 horses when we were growing up. And it was just those few horses was a lot. Just her dad was constantly going to the feed store all the time. Then sometimes it goes bad, and I mean,
So there's some elk up here on the right hand side.
guys, you hear 'em? There's some elk up here.
So this area is called Antelope Flats.
Now I gotta imagine this was all covered. This was all white most of the winter. Is
Yeah,
that
it
what
was.
in the winter
It got
is?
so high that the snow got up. So once the snow got up over the sage in January, February, it started blowing across the road, the highway. They had to shut the highway down for like 10 days.
Does that stage die when the snow?
No, it doesn't die.
I would have thought it. See, I would have figured it died, and I was gonna ask you. I'm like, oh, it grew back pretty quick, but
No, it
it's
doesn't
that.
die.
It's pretty strong then. It's just. How long before we lose cell service?
Any minute. Depends on what carrier do you have.
I have T-Mobile. They have AT&T.
Yeah, they'll have service you won't. So in about 45 seconds, we're all going to lose service coming down these.
It's the dorms.
Employee housing.
Okay.
And us guys, and most of the girls too, you know, we're either out hiking or fishing or riding horses or whatever, socializing in the evening, so there's not a whole lot of TV watching going on during the summer.
Yeah.
And we had satellite internet before, so it's like ridiculously
That
expensive.
sucks. Satellite internet's not
Yeah.
even good, right?
No, it's not good, and it's really expensive. So we just had the hard lines ran for the fiber this past winter.
So what's the speed on it?
5 gigs. I don't know, something good enough to stream video.
Craig told me it was military encrypted or something.
Yeah, it is.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
See, I thought he was just like
No,
talking shit or something.
We're moving all to cloud-based systems as well. So nothing will be saved on the computers; it'll all be in the cloud. It's all encrypted.
So is there a Wi-Fi like this
Yeah.
password or something I need to hook up to or whatever?
They'll do it. Addie will do it whenever you guys arrive. So this is all wilderness national park. So Grand Teton National Park. Open road. See him? Just right up here.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Cow. A bunch up there. So this, and the other side of that is all the Shoshone National Forest. Those houses is where is the last part of the Grand Teton National Park. So they all live in the park. They're on a 99-year lease with the Forest Service.
Really?
Yeah, it's called Teton Wilderness or something. What do you guys think so far? Yes. So these, this river here we got like 3 beavers that are building the dam right there in front of our property, and we saw, Greg was with us, we went and picked them up. River otters as well. There's 3 of those as well.
Never seen so much snow. It's pretty crazy.
And this is nothing. I mean, we got in February alone, we had 80 inches, 7 feet. It was unnecessary. Really unnecessary.
We're not used to snow.
The horses were like, this shit is stupid.
Come on, man, you got some Wyoming horses. They're used to it.
Yeah.
Well, unless you brought them in from Florida, the horses.
No, we won't buy southern horses.
They couldn't even handle it out here, right?
He bought 12 horses from New Mexico. Within 2 years, they had all passed from just different issues, colic and not starvation, but like sick and starving because they wouldn't eat and such stuff. And then during the summer, we run the horses down into this corner of this field here, down across the highway into the meadow where they are now, that lower pasture. There's about probably 127 animals out there right now. No, I'm sorry, there's 128 animals on property. We have them segregated because you have to quarantine them whenever they come back to their winter pastures.
Why do you gotta quarantine them?
2 weeks. So we run them down this hill through there and then up the other side, across the highway again, up our front entrance, and around to the back of the property where they're held for sale.
So when they say you run them, you got like cowboys that go out there and just like herd them?
Call
Like
them wranglers, yeah.
Wranglers, yeah, that's cool.
It's really cool. So we have like 10 staff wranglers that we keep on staff.
Everything sounds so cool.
This is our riding arena up on the right hand side. This is the new lodge that you guys are doing the repairs to for flooring on the right hand side. That's that house. The only thing that we don't own, and it's the next thing that's going to be purchased, is all these trailers here.
Mm-hmm.
So
this is what we're doing here?
That right there on the right. This is what it is. We're going to have to get you a different key.
Something wrong with the key?
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, as long as it gets us in.
So this, oh, maybe it's this door.
Huh, that's cool. We just got back from Tennessee like a month ago. We had a nice guy in there.
Okay.
Is it this key?
Yeah, it's this door here. So one queen size bed there. Third one, yeah, you got a queen here and a queen here, Kisner.
Where's the TV?
No TV, man. I'm gonna have to come lock this door off because this is a separate unit. So.
Dude. I said dude, and I'm on a dude ranch. That's funny. So we're on dude ranch. Bunch of dudes on a dude ranch having fun. Getting ready to. That's why we make the big bucks.
What, right here? What? Just walk in. It's really cool.
Don't call me back. The nightmare. Yes, the nightmare. See the floor? No, you can't see it. But we're doing it. Somehow, some way. We're gonna lay floor underneath everything here. So here we are. Ground zero, as we call it now. It's a little rough. At least this side's not quite as bad. This is a nightmare. Stranded 3,500 miles from home. No Wi-Fi or TV.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.